Hello everyone, this is Kritika Singhal from Team Karmstuti. Today I'll be showing you how to type in MS Word in two gadgets, that is firstly in PC and the later one in mobile. Before I start, let me clear a basic point that I won't be telling you the basics of MS Word that you learned in class 4th, 5th, because all those things are already available on YouTube. You can see from there as well. I will be showing only that part that is required to do any data entry work or any work or any, should I say, or any official work in any firm. So I am starting with the PC. This is MS Word. In this, we will select a blank document. The most basic thing here is the page size. So we will go to the layout tab. Then we will click on size option in page setup group. Since we require all the data in A4 size sheet, you all have to choose A4 size option from size list. The page orientation will be portrait and the margin should be narrow for all the pages. Next in the queue is alignment. For selecting the alignment, we will go to Home tab and then in paragraph group, we will choose left alignment. You can directly change the alignment by using shortcut key Ctrl+L. Now let me explain about the fonts. In our work, we generally require font Times New Roman. Size might differ, but the font will remain same for the whole document. Now I will select fonts from font group. I will select Times New Roman from the queue along with size 14 for now. Now I will write a line as an example. So, hello, my name is Kritika Singhal, full stop. I am the manager of Karmstuti Private Limited. Now I will show you how to make changes in an already typed document. So here we go. Here I am having completely typed 2 pages. I have taken 2 pages because many people have a query that are they supposed to type different pages in different documents or they can send all pages in one document. So the answer is you have to send all the pages in one document only. Now I will tell you how to make changes to this. Later I will also tell how to send this via Gmail. Let me start with the font. By default, MS Word shows Calibri font with the size 11. But we do not want that font. So we will change it by selecting the whole text. For selecting all text, you can use Ctrl+A or you can use scrolling as well. Now we will move the cursor to fonts group and there we will select font Times New Roman with size 12. One more thing I want to add is that I am saying size 12 just as an example. Do not misunderstood that you will get the same size or same font in instructions as well. You can see the desired changes. Moving further to the color of the text will remain black always. As the black color is by default, we do not need to change it. Next we have the bold, italic and underline thing. We want all the headings to be underlined. Let me make it sound more clear. I am talking about heading, not about subheading or rest of the content. Now I am showing an example. I have written heading and subheading and I have selected the heading by clicking and scrolling and then I clicked on U, that is underline. Remember, I did this for heading only, not for the subheading. Bold and italic will depend on the instructions provided with work, but I will show you as an example how to do that. Suppose it is instructed to type the first letter of every paragraph in bold, then you will select only first letter, that is A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, whatever. Not the whole word. So for selecting that, we will move the cursor to the side of that letter and we will select the letter by left clicking and scrolling. Then we will click on B just like I did, and the letter will turn bold instantly. You can also use the shortcut keys for the same, that is Ctrl plus B for bold, Ctrl plus I for italic, and Ctrl plus U for underlining the text. I am not going to explain the italic thing separately, as the method for the bold and italic are same. The same should be followed for italic that we earlier followed for bold. Next we have the spacing. For example, it is instructed to give 1 line or 2 line space after 3 full stops or something like that. Then how we gonna do it? Well, that is very simple. We will place the cursor to the last full stop from where we want to give space, and we will click the enter button. You will see the desired changes. For giving 1 line space, you will click enter 1 time. For 2 line space, click the enter twice, and so on. Well, I guess I have taught you guys enough now. I will show how you will share this to our Gmail. For sharing, we will click on File tab. Then you can see Save As option. Click on that. You can save wherever you want, but I would suggest you to save at desktop as it will be more convenient to locate. You will name the document same which you got in the PDF, that is KS1, KS2, 3 or whatever you got. And you will save it as Word document. Then click on Save. Now you can close your MS Word and go to desktop to see your file. Here is it. Now right click on your file. You will see a list of multiple options. Click on Share. Then on Mail or Gmail. Here it comes. Write the ID in to box which you got with the work. For example, kamstuti@gmail.com or stutikam@gmail.com or something like that, and then click send. Wait till your file gets sent and appears in sent items. Here is a note for all of you. If your file is in outbox, then it is not sent. You can try refreshing again and again for sending that, and if it doesn't work, send one more time. One more thing I want to tell or I want to clear is that all the things I said, that is font size or spacing, that is only for an example, as I want to show how you will do it. Don't compare it with the instructions that I have taught you something and you got some different instructions. I have just told you the basics that you will follow while doing work. That's all for PC. Now, since we are done with the tutorial for PC, next we have tutorial for mobile. So before I tell you how to use MS Word in Android, I am showing you which MS Word we exactly want, since there are many MS Word available in Play Store. You have to download this one, that is Microsoft Word Edit Documents. I will drop the link in description box. You can download from there as well. So this is MS Word. We will click on the plus sign in the right hand corner. Then you have to select a blank document. Here we can see a blank page appeared. Now same will be followed for mobile what we did for the PC. We have to click on the arrow in the bottom right corner. You can see here are a lot of options are there, like B, I, U, highlight, font color, and so on. Now we will click on the home tab. Here you can see there are total 6 tabs. We have to click on the layout. After clicking, you can see these are the same options that we had in PC. We will select the margin as narrow and the size as A4. For changing the orientation, you need to buy a subscription, so that thing is not required, as by default orientation is portrait only. You can skip that thing in mobile. Now we will click on layout and go to home tab once again. Here I am showing you 2 already typed pages. Now I will show how to change size and font in mobile phone. Long press any word on the screen till it becomes grey. Then click on select all option. Here the whole text is selected. Now we will again click on the arrow in the bottom right corner and click on Calibri for changing the font. Here we can see multiple fonts. We will scroll down and down and down and down till we get the font Times New Roman. Once again I will tell the same. I am telling Times New Roman with size 14, 12, 13, whatever. It is just an example. Do not compare the video with the instructions. You might get some different instructions. Now select the Times New Roman font. You can see the text turn to Times New Roman. Next we will change the size. So for that click on 11 and change the size to 14. You can see the desired changes. Next we have the headings. So here I am writing heading and subheading. Now as I have said earlier also, we want all the headings to be underlined. I am selecting heading by long pressing and again I am clicking on arrow, then on U, that is underline. You can see the heading is underlined now. For bold or italic, select the text by long pressing and then click on B or I in Home tab. For removing, again click on the same. Here is the note for all of you. If you accidentally make some mistake, don't panic. Just click on the arrow facing towards left. This works as Ctrl+Z, that is undo. So it will erase the change you made accidentally. At last, we have the spacing. For spacing, you have an arrow in the bottom right corner in your keypad. It works exactly like enter. Just click it once if you want to give 1 line space. Click twice for 2 line space and so on. Next is renaming the document. So for that you can see there is document 2 written at the top of the page. Click on that and give your document the same name that is given in the PDF which you got. It could be any name, that is KS1, KS2 or Karm Superior or something like that, and click on tick. You can see the name is changed now. Now I will show how you are going to send this to the Gmail. After typing all the data and making all the changes, you have to click on 3 dots in top right corner. There you will see share option. Click on that. Then click on share as attachment. Then on document. Here you can see multiple apps. Click on Gmail. Now type the ID in 2 box from which you got the work and send it. You can send on the ID which you got with the PDF. It could be any ID, that is karmstuti@gmail.com, karmstuti123@gmail.com, whatever ID you got. Wait till it's sent and appear in sent items, and that's it. Your document is sent now. So this is it. I hope you guys understood the video. If you didn't, if you are having any query or doubt, you can ask me in comment section. I will be more than happy to solve your queries. And if you like the video, just click the like button and share if you want to, and subscribe the channel. That's it. Thank you.